To begin, gather all the components you need. Your print on canvas, GOframe 1500 Pro bars in the correct length for your finished frame, a set of GOframe Pro bar corners, some corner pins and tensioning inserts, a cutting tool and a bottle of archival quality glue. Start by removing the adhesive liner from the wide piece of tape on the front of the bar. Insert each bar into the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners using the built-in notches and grooves to ensure each bar lays flat. Place your print face down on the work surface, then position your frame face down on top. The notches around the edge of each GOframe 1500 Pro bar corner can be used as a guide to ensure the frame is straight. Once you are happy with the position of your frame, apply pressure to secure each bar to the back of the canvas. Remove the GOframe 1500 Pro bar corners and store them in a safe place for future use. Trim around the edges to remove the excess canvas. Then trim diagonally across each corner. Cut into each corner at a 45-degree angle to create corner tabs. These will give a clean corner finish on your stretched canvas frame. Gently lift each bar and apply a thin bead of glue down the length between the bar and the canvas. If too much glue is applied, simply wipe away the excess with a clean cloth before continuing. Fold up each of the corner tabs and apply pressure to secure them to the end of each bar. To create the edges of your finished canvas, lift the bars so that the corners meet. Using the pre-drilled holes in each bar, insert a corner pin to hold the bars in place. Finish stretching your canvas with the tensioning inserts. Simply align each insert with the grooves on the back of each bar, then apply pressure to secure in place. Your frame is now finished, but if you desire a cleaner finish on the back, the narrower piece of tape on the top of each bar can be removed.